What do we mean by financial statements audit? Financial statements audit is a process by which an independent party that is technically competent carries out audit procedures based on strategy and audit programs to gather evidence that is sufficient and appropriate so that an auditor can express an opinion on the financial statements under the audit, whereby the financial statements are prepared by the entity's management. By the end of the day, the auditor should be able to express an opinion on the financial statements, whether they are presented fairly or not in all material respects. The financial position, the results of operations, the cash flows, and the changes in equity in accordance to financial report, accounting financial reporting framework, or financial reporting framework as they said. Now, to reach for this conclusion, the auditor should be technically competent, as we said. So if the auditor is not technically competent, he will not be able to reach for this conclusion. If the auditor did not gather sufficient appropriate audit evidence, he will not be able to express such a conclusion. So by the end of the day, the credibility for the opinion of the auditor depends or a function of several factors that I just laid down. His independence, his technical competence, his training, his ability to gather sufficient appropriate audit evidence, his expertise, of course. All these things affect, by all means, the quality of the audit, and by the end of the day, the risk of audit failures. We'll talk about this later on. What do we mean by all this kind of stuff? This is Mohammed Masoud. Have a nice day. Thank you.